The Citizens United versus Federal Election Commission Supreme Court case in 2010 was over whether the Bipartisan Campaign Reform Act could apply to the interest group Citizens United's film Hillary, the movie that attempted to sway voters to not support Hillary Clinton. The decision essentially ruled that spending on campaigns was a facet of free speech and therefore could not be limited.
However, while the decision ruled that corporations and unions could spend an unlimited amount to sway voters during elections, it did not change the limit on actual contributions directly to candidates. But the 2010 lower court case SpeechNow.org versus FEC did, when it used Citizens United as a precedent to establish that limits on groups that make independent contributions are unconstitutional. Essentially, those decisions led to the creation of super PACs, which accept unlimited donations from wealthy individuals and corporations and use it to fund campaign ads, flooding our elections with more dark money.
And the result of this decision has been a drastic increase in spending on campaigns. According to the Brennan Center for Justice, of the $1 billion spent in federal elections by super PACs since 2010, nearly 60% of the money came from just 195 individuals and their spouses. That trend has the impact of shutting out the importance of less wealthy voters and forcing candidates to cater to big money interests in order to win elections.
For example, a Demos report found that winning Senate candidates in the 2014 races had to raise an average of $3,300 per day every single day for 6 years, and House candidates needed to raise $1,800 a day in their 2-year cycle. The pressure to fundraise means candidates focus on those donors who can provide large donations to the detriment of their less wealthy constituents. Thus, candidates are forced to forego the interests of low-income and middle-class Americans for the money of the wealthy and corporations, which only undermines American democracy as a whole.